up, everybody? It's me, it's your girl Star, and I'm back with another banger. And this I have with me is
OMG Straight the Gamer.
Yes, y'all, and we are about to eat on these yummy, delicious old crab legs. I made them a little bit too spicy. I ain't mean to. I was trying not to, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys how I made the crab legs. Also in this video, y'all. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I make my crab legs. There's really nothing to it, but to do it. I have to make two different type of sauces because he like his mild and I like mine's obviously spicy. So let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm disinfecting the sink because you have to put the crab legs in the sink in cold water for 30 minutes. And then I have to just scrub the crab legs just to get any of the bacteria off, any of the germs. You don't want to get sick, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the crab legs. And this is a trick that I've actually learned. Watching other people make crab legs.
Why?
Can you put this in a garbage, please?
Mickey Mouse pal.
Okay, so I'm going to let the crab legs sit
For 5 hours.
in the cold water for 30 minutes. No. Okay, guys, so let me just show you what I did. I'm just going to explain it. So I broke the crab legs off of the cluster because I love the cluster. My son really don't eat them, so I broke it off the cluster. And I took some scissors and I cut along the line. So when it's time for me to bake it and then the juices can just get all into that meat. So yes. So this is what it looks like. No, it's not cooked yet. I did not put no seasoning on it. And as you guys can see, yes, everything is separated. I have the clusters over here. These are my favorites. So, and yes, we are going to bake these. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you all the seasoning that I'm going to put in. So this right here is secret seasoning, which I absolutely love. So we're going to pour this into a bowl. And we're going to take blackened seasoned powder, garlic herbs and herbs, all purpose, garlic powder, garlic salt, just a tad, paprika, kanja, I think I'm saying it right. Don't grill me for that. Chili powder. This is mild. Favorite of all, Old Bay. This right here is the best thing ever. I literally put this on everything, okay? Then I'm gonna add some Old Bay hot sauce. Just a little tang, not too much. And then I'm gonna add lots of butter to this. And then I just added the butter, and then I just added some black pepper because I forgot. And let's warm it up. So as you guys can see, this is all the seasoning mixed in together. I do want to say I do not add lemon to my crab legs because I do not like the sour taste of it. I'm just letting that be known, okay? That's just not for me. I've tried it multiple times, but it's just not what I like. Pour all the sauce on there. I added a little bit more butter. And I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30, give or take, just because I really want them juices to get all in there. I wish that you guys can actually like see our plates. I'm gonna just do this. This is my plate.
And it's my plate too.
And this is his
My
plate.
It's mommy's plate.
Okay. All right. So let's dig in. Cause child, she hungry. Yeah, make sure you get in the camera or whatever. So y'all, we are moving to Texas. Yes, y'all, we are moving to Texas. And to be honest with you, we can't wait. Oh, so I had cut the crab legs or whatever, so it'll be like easier for you to like get into it. Do you need like a fork or something like that? Make sure you lick the sauce and stuff. So yes, guys, we are moving to Texas and
Next year.
this year. I will be leaving next week in June, like June 1st, June 2nd to 3rd. It's gonna be like fun but sad at the same time because his birthday is actually June 11th and I'm gonna miss it. But then they're gonna come, I believe, in July. So yes. You gonna tell them how old you turning? My boy's turning 9, y'all.
I look 12.
Can you make sure make sure you eat the meat? Cause sometimes you're gonna be eating meat. I think we have a video of us on YouTube eating crab legs.
We do.
To be honest with you, we gotta do more because like more stuff to find to eat. So hubby can be in our mukbangs too. See how it look? See how easy it just like to crack with the line? Yeah. Instead of having to go through all of that extra stuff.
But I am extra.
Look at that, y'all. Get some sauce on there. Make sure you crack it. That's that. Get your meat out.
This ain't spicy.
And y'all, I got my Corona. So, I'm going to just speed this up. Because obviously we don't got nothing to talk about. So, I'm going to just speed it up. So guys, let me tell y'all. So today is Thursday.
Yay.
And Saturday, we went to Baltimore. It was mostly just to like move my stuff out of my house in Baltimore because, like I said, we're moving to Texas. So we went there. Had to drive like a good 5 to 6 hours to get there. We did what we had to do. It wasn't really like a trip. It was more getting down and being there, doing what we got to do. Chill for a minute, turn right back around. I mean, to be honest with you, it was cool because it was the first time the boys went to Baltimore, and it was cool. You know, like us having a road trip for, you know, our first family road trip. It was good. Really enjoyed it. What about you? Did you enjoy it?
Mm-hmm.
So how did you feel about the ride?
Boring. I was bored.
You was bored? What about, did you like the sight that you seen, like, you know, being able to like sightsee? Did you like that? That's good. Do we look alike? So he gonna change his answer? We look alike. No. We look somewhat alike. He look more like his daddy. If his daddy come pop his big head in here,
No, I'm good.
You'll see. He look just like his daddy, or just darker. Okay, y'all. So we are done with this video, and we would like to say have a good one. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.